thing. We know the quarrel, but we know the again. While I will, I'm away your time of party. Post your social media. I want to do your way.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about omo balance and precious. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. Wahala be like bicycle. Now wow, we my people. I see Precious do live video. So when she do live video, although I don't feel put the video, so now I want to talk for the matter. Why I want to talk for this matter be say because of now where they carry engagement for 2 years, 3 years, una can't turn Lord of the Ring. Now because of now I want to do this video today, my people. You see, more balance matter and precious matter. Why the thing shockalize me, like I felt talk am say they not dey again. People say na lie, say they still dey. You know, it just be like say Precious just dey patch the relationship. It may not be like say laugh can't come, people can't laugh am. Now it make Precious be just dey the relationship. So when they come they do live video, people come they call in, they talk. So now there somebody come say they follow you and your guy together more balance. Now Precious come talk aloud say he with more balance no dey again. They not dey again. Two of them not dey date each other again. Abeg mo na not dey call her my boyfriend again o. I no wan hear am again o. Me with her not dey again o. I was like is this girl, is she joking? Even some people come dey write am for comment say social media people go carry am o. He say make dem carry abeg. That marriage one I say they abeg, you know, two of them not dey again. Two of them not dey again because you know what, me anybody can't block your way. You understand? So the thing can't shock me. Say after the engagement, now wow, this life not balanced, my people. No, this life is not balanced at all. In fact, the people wey dey the world, they not balanced. You know, my first talk to the men first. If you know, say you don't want to marry a woman, why the engagement? Why una go engage woman finish? Una can't let that woman carry the engagement for like 5 years or 2 years, 6 years, like the way Choma take carry you for the video. After the engagement, una can't talk, so una not they marry again. Like seriously? Okay, my people, more balance after he don't engage Precious. Now he will call you and say more balance go give woman belly. Which girl go come grade that kind of thing? You never marry me, you don't go give woman belly. If you come marry me, how many women will come get belly for you again? I believe say that wetin make Precious just say no now. Okay, the thing shockalize me, like after the beautiful engagement we just see for social media, and two of una they do comedy together, we be just love the way two of una be. The thing just come shock me say more balance and Precious no come dey again. Like seriously, after these beautiful things where we see, my people. Wahala be like bicycle o. If I thought I say this thing no shockalize me, I dey lie. It shocked me like seriously. You know the kind of shame wey pass that is say you engage woman, it not gonna lead to marriage again. The kind of shame wey pass that thing. I understand what Precious dey feel now. Nothing say it go dey easy for her. After the engagement, everything, the man can't leave am. You hear when the guy they tell and say, I saw it on social media when he engaged you. Yeah, everybody see him. Everybody see that engagement. Everybody. We see the beautiful engagement at the end. Two of them not there again. Now, wow, my people. If I thought I said this thing no shockalize me, they lie, it shocked me. It really shocked me like, this life no balance at all. After una go just make person see everything finish, the next una come say una not dey again. Very, very shameful, like seriously. I beg men, if you know say you never ready to marry, not engage any woman. If you know say you never ready to marry, no engage any woman. Not put any woman for engagement at the end, you can't leave her. Eh? It don't make sense at all. It's not good. You know, say you never ready to marry. You never ready to get a poor woman for house. Then why the engagement? Why you go engage finish at the end you can't leave the woman? It doesn't make sense, and it doesn't take good of you. After you don't let everybody see say you with Precious go soon marry, because I talk and see 2 years they never see talk and come. Eh? How many years do you can't say marry? And they always tell women, don't let engagement to they take for your hand. If engagement to take, you know they lead to anywhere. And they always I don't see many like that. How woman go carry engagement for 3 years? Who does that? When my husband, when I meet my man, when he engage me, the next following month, marriage follow. When I don't see how this guy, that boy when they act Nollywood for a film, I don't forget his name. That short guy when they do, even I said that Williams, Williams, whether Williams or Jemba, that be his name. When he engage a woman, the following week he go do introduction. The following week he go put money. The following week he do white wedding. Everybody shocked. That's how it's supposed to be. Because if engagement too take, you come dey see the kind character wey you no wan see. Either the man go come dey see the character for your body, or the you go come dey see some kind character for the man body. The thing go come tire you. You understand? So that is why dem no dey gree make engagement too take. If engagement too take, e no dey work. Like e no dey, the marriage no dey work, the relationship no dey work. And they always dey tell una, more than not dey let engagement too dey take if man engage una again. E no good. E no good at all, because if e too take, some kind things wey you no expect to come dey happen for inside, na im make you come see say you no go come work again. See Davido and Chioma, when he engage, the way they really do follow Chioma, you believe say today 12 they not go dey again. You understand? So the people come they call Chioma Lord of the Ring. Now they call Chioma. Omo Balance and Precious who shock me. Like, you know, I'm not that surprised, because I felt tell una. When I say that lie, so the right comment they insult me. But today, uncle, she don't use that mouth talk and say, he will not dey again. We no dey again. I don't want again. I think it shock una. It shock talize una. Yeah. So my people, I go put the video again, make una hear am again from the Aussie smart say they no dey again. Thank you, my people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I just like to give a couple. We're going ahead.
I can't hear you. Let me take off my woody. Precious, what yeah?
Oh, we obviously all had it last week.
Oh man, I don't know. This is the volume. Your volume, I can't hear you. You have a problem with the audio. Yeah, I'm just sitting down. All right, I think I can hear you now. I'm just sitting down in front of TK Mars, you can see.
Okay.
So I'm calling you. Yeah, I'm calling you from the Republic of Ireland.
Okay.
In Dublin, to be precise. I'm one of your fans. You are your guy on Balance.
No be my
I bet I read it now. I saw it on this one of these social media networks that you are engaged. I saw it. See now. Hey, David Hove. Oh, we are doing. Oh, when would you?
Not day again. We do marriage. We not day again. But that one don't mean say they work, nothing. We not the quarrel, but we not day again. While I will go, I'm moving your time.
That's good.
Post your social media. I want to open your way. Eh?
When would you? Precious, take care easy call. My way, now. Oviedo no bayi, ovi digun. Idigun ehun, ewari keya higo, ovi neni digun ehun ehi. So he like a vibe where he like everything about you. I'm one of your fans. I won't lie to you. Nearly every day, You are watching your comedy skit nearly every day. You are break even now. Must say what you before you can lose you are sorry what you understand? Sometimes when I'm sad, you make me happy. I have to tell you the truth. Yeah, it's all if you know. More grace, more grace to your elbow. Go young.
Yo.
Oh man, so what is the cocoa? What is the latest?
Latest.
Mm.
Oh, film I be waiting.
Okay, sorry to say, there was this girl, the first girl, and no I really not call it well. Or where Bini just boring,
What
or
be?
where there is nothing to do. Unu I go tonight. This is after 12, and the day where all you love your bed.
Hmm.
Come here, he said that that's when you are going to be when you are learning sewing or hairdressing.
Okay. Yeah.
Send the really on here. And not love your bed. We after 12. Or time I will be your body. Okay, there are no way no do make a lively near. Gay, the Kanamuna, a ticket machine Namuna to the gay. Ire break. It's when I will boy your woni. I told the jacket in your woni. It's when I next 7 o'clock to be now. Although your bed, the altar will be body. I'm not here when I are here tomatoes we can you believe.
Ọmọ ya ta me no yari eshe di vekene o ti dele no taking up new bini na pa no yari eshe de tomato.
Osalobo Adiba, go Bobe. Osalobo Adiba, well, now, go Gwalimu there, go Gwalimu there so that the Bini we cannot be boring,
What say?
Amana mi now, when I do a good work, Pokma, why when I go where do I Pokma, no go where you were. Imuna no. Amana, go here we are breaking left for there. I wish you all the best,
Problem you.
All right, take care. All right, yeah, bye. Oh, God.
Amazing. Believe anything you see for social media at your own risk. Working. Really me what die. Kevin Lucky, where is your boyfriend? The one where you give me Nathan man. Who is your boyfriend? What are you? I be you want put her for court. No. Calm down. Why they can't really like the this? I know where is the boyfriend. I will get boy, will get father. Please pick my call. I they ask people why they see for up. Prosper, first time seeing you in life. Now, so I know maybe not all I live with you. When you go to work, why ain't you here? Make a bola already. I said it a lot. At a lot, I don't tell me no matter what matter.
No one another one. No one.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon. Èyí á lè yẹ na.
I say, oh,
Wàhálì ọ̀kú ẹ. Wàhálì ọ̀kú ẹ nà ẹ̀yìn rí ekú ẹ.
When they say if I ain't never yari ekwe, you take why me say no day.
Where you do yak between you do no tell you that way, Nino Mari, or your way, any way.
Yeah no. So we are just well they win na be where they win na na be gwale shedi no.
We are begging, okay, set it on the camera because you really have a break my so.
That no, not be my guy again. Mama, so what's the update?
Hey, Mama, this is my first time calling your live stream.
What to do?
And it's a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
So, now when is your next movie and your next comedy skit is coming up? Because I believe it has been long. Post up will be now.
Yes.
Okay, I check maybe in marry win and the man near the world.
Why you not use correct? We need
because because whenever anytime we are posting, because you need notification. So when equal no near Finasata say
speak English, guy. Village boy. We're not going to do it. Maybe na Muria. I don't know what go. Vera, I don't know. I don't know. Ọtọ ta gbe word for one. Hi guys. Happy New Week. Your mother, eh? Happy New Week, my eh? You know, not they take am down like that too. I went to the camp. No, nah. Say me before that belle. Oh, you tell that guy message. Very, very handsome.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Osasu in London.
Come on.
How far now? They can say there. They can say there. What the travel?
Oh, go over here.
Eh? Hello. Wow.
Network. I thought I only will live video. Yeah. What a lot.
Hello. Oh my God. Good afternoon.
Ada said.
Good afternoon. I'm calling from France. Fine. So, how are you doing today? You look beautiful. It's my first time coming on your
I
live.
say
May I speak pidgin?
again.
My first time when I call your live with this. I'm so
I
happy.
don't understand. I don't understand. They tell you say me and person not dey again. What you come they ask me again? It's all no. I don't understand some people. Don't you say something personal? Person never. You never friend get me leave you before. Be you never friend but me leave you before. If not me start on, I fit put on for it. But if not be me start on.
You be celebrating.
When you celebrate, onion say Nihiana certificate the boy where. Okome. Now because of this, they are yeah comments and rumor. That person never feel move on. So, how your boyfriend? What's going on? You should let me do. No, no for them. Miss Rashan, help me ask them. Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend? You don't know his page. You don't know his name. Go look for him. Go find out for Benin if you want to see him. May I put on for it? Even if we see the date, you want to put on for court. Why they ask for? Yeah, Gary, a little bit here. Oh, we may know. Because any life away.
Don't be quiet, matter.
Lisa Scott, we are your fans. Tell us what happened. I don't understand. Boys, we don't break up with you. Tell me why they leave you.
Don't do precious.
Now you got my life. Say tell us we are your fans. Tell us what happened. We know they get very simple. If you know if they can show corner.
I be make you all do video tell them.
You video I know anybody explanation.
That they go next.
Babe woman.
Oh my God.
So mobile for nothing. Yes, so he shot me for nothing. They cry. Wait till we no here you can zanzan. Wait till be your me with one friend, but I don't know say I give out to two before. See me see wahala. Wait till they happen. He shot me for nothing.
They talk on your page.
They cry. Yes, now bad thing to ask me. Get away shop your money or you will escalate. Who ask you? Say why I leave you. They never break up with you before. I ask you. I never ask you anything concerning your life before. So no ask me anything concerning my life because you know they feed me, I know they feed you. I never enter here come beg una money. I be to what you go make my via with marriage, my marry you, my marry you. Oh, when I know me.
God.
Make the number sure. Maybe we be. Go no. I just fast off. I will can get our lalima. Oh, make the number sure. I dey here. If talk to you, I know understand you. They want me. Lisa Scott, he engaged me. We break up. Now news. You never see person will do marriage a week after he leave the marriage. Now.